Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we're discussing a fundamental topic for any medical device company with international ambitions: building a global regulatory strategy from day one. The traditional approach of launching in a home market like the US or Europe and then considering other countries later is becoming increasingly inefficient and costly. A proactive strategy, integrated into the earliest phases of product development, is no longer just a best practice. It's a critical competitive advantage that accelerates time to revenue. The absolute foundation of any global strategy is a robust quality management system, or QMS. Building your QMS to comply with ISO 13485 from the outset is non-negotiable. This international standard for medical device quality systems is the backbone of regulatory compliance in Europe, Canada, Australia, Japan, and many other key markets. Integrating it into your design controls ensures that your development process generates the necessary documentation for multiple submissions simultaneously, rather than forcing you to remediate your files for each new market. From the moment you have a product concept, you should be thinking about market prioritization. Don't just default to the largest markets. Consider which countries offer the most favorable regulatory pathways for your specific device. This early analysis is crucial because your target markets dictate your product requirements. A device classified as Class 2 in the United States could be a higher risk Class 2B in the European Union, requiring more extensive clinical data and conformity assessment. This decision will fundamentally shape your testing protocols, evidence generation, and even your product's features. This leads to clinical evidence. A clinical trial designed solely for one country's requirements is a missed opportunity. Since the European Union's Medical Device Regulation, or MDR, became fully applicable on May 26, 2021, the demand for high-quality clinical data has intensified globally. A strategic clinical plan anticipates the requirements of multiple target markets, designing a study that can generate evidence suitable for the FDA, a European notified body, and Brazil's Anvisa, for instance. We also advise leveraging harmonized technical standards, such as ISO 14971 for risk management, to streamline your technical documentation and demonstrate compliance across borders. Finally, do not underestimate logistical elements like labeling. Requirements for translations, symbols, and instructions for use, or IFUs, vary significantly. Planning for these variations during the design phase prevents costly redesigns and relabeling projects down the line. This entire process must be supported by continuous regulatory intelligence, a system for monitoring changes in your target markets, so you can adapt your strategy in real time. By embedding these considerations into your company's DNA from day one, you build a device and a strategy that are truly born global. If you need help navigating the complexities of building and executing a global regulatory strategy, the experts at Pure Global are here to help. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.